Hey guys, it's Kristina. So today I'm filming at the Ipsy studios and I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys with Boxycharm. These are the new goodies I got this month, and I created this makeup look, which, as you know, I usually do neutral, so all this purple is a little much for me, but it was fun filming it. It's different, and I did the purple eye, purple lip, and purple right here, so maybe it's a little bit much, but like if you can just do one of those things, it will look really good. So I wanted to show you everything that's in here. So if you don't know, Boxycharm is basically like a monthly subscription for $20 a month, but you definitely get a lot of goodies in here. So first I got this Oprah Palette. They did the design a little bit different, and this is the little blush that came with it, and this blush color is called Rodette. It's just a magnetic one, and then you make your own palette, which is pretty cool. And then the palette mini is $19. So that's the blush I have right here on next to the contour and underneath the highlight, which was this Cover FX one. So this is their Shimmer Veil, and this color is called Amethyst. It is so pretty. It's like a purpley, like, do you see that? It's so gorgeous. So it's basically like a shimmery pigment base that you can use underneath other, you know, like I used it underneath my eyeshadow today, so it just kind of makes it pop. Or you can use it on its own. You just use a little bit like this, like whatever I had left over my finger, it turns into a shimmer. So that's what I applied, like right here, and over here, which I just filmed that tutorial, so it'll be up for you guys, so you can check it out. I will link it down below. But you can also apply it on your lips. So I put this as a base on my lips, then I put a purple gloss over it, and then I dabbed a little bit more right here, just to make it really shimmery. So it's like a very shimmery, kind of wet, sort of metallic look today. I don't know, I just kind of winged it, you know, honestly. And this Shimmer Veil retails for $28. And then I used this black pencil liner to tightline and also kind of smudge it out. And then I put it on my waterline just to make the purple pop. And then I just used a little black eyeshadow in the corner to pull it all together. But I don't know if it really suits me, like this black liner. I feel like it reminds me of like middle school when I used to do like the black all around. I don't know. But this one is from Vintage Cosmetics, and this retails for $21, which I will link Boxycharm for you guys down below in the info box, so check out the link and definitely sign up if you haven't yet. And it's also a great gift. Like my best friend, she just ordered it for her mom because her mom's birthday is coming up, so she just got her like 3 of them, which is really cool. So I told her it's the box to go with. And then I got this cool brush set from Crown, which retails for $29.99. So I used the big brush today for my powder, then I used this one for blush, and then I used this one for my highlight underneath my eyebrow. And then last but not least, we have this Pure Cosmetics little lip exfoliator. And then last but not least, we have this Pure Cosmetics lip exfoliator, which smells so good. It's very like sweet and vanilla, and you just basically put it on. It's like a moisturizing balm, but it has little tiny beads in it that will help you exfoliate your lips right before you apply your product. So it's gonna make your lips softer, moisturized, exfoliated, smooth, everything all in one. So it basically says it's a 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil that exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and soothes. So it's all in one, and it has raw sugar beads in it, so it makes it sweet on top of the really awesome smell. So it's really, really good. And this retails for $17. So all around, I would definitely suggest this box. You definitely get your money's worth with all of these products. They're worth $20 for sure, and that's including shipping, so definitely check it out. I'll put the link to Boxycharm down below in the info box for you guys, and that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also check out the summit because I'm going to Austin, Texas. I'm going to be on a panel at the Influencer Summit, which will be right before South by Southwest. So I'm really, really pumped. I put a little video on my Instagram. If you haven't seen it, I will link it down below. So definitely check it out. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. All of that will be linked down below. So all of that will be linked down below for you guys. Check it out. Let's be friends, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.